Bye.
What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do a day in the life sort of video because I'm going to get my hair done. I'm going to make moves, so stay tuned. We are on the bus now. I brought my mom with me today. I'm not sure if you can hear me. On the way to Manhattan. So now I'm just getting my hair done at my job. That's where I get my hair done most of the time. I'm getting my keratin again because your girl need it. It's been almost a year, so stay tuned. So now we are at Jamba Juice. Hey guys, so as you can see, my hair is done, laced, and I'm happy with it. I got a little trim. My mom and I came back and we bodied some blended flavors. This is leftovers basically because we were too greedy and we didn't record before that. Just the quick outfit of the day. There's my cute little shirt that I got from Fashion Nova, some regular jeans, and my flats. My hair finally done. I've been waiting forever to do it, so finally did it this week. Ironically, it's my mom's b-day week and I go do my hair, but that's okay. Some people may know that it is my mom's birthday week, so I'm just gonna go finish celebrating with her. Catch you guys later. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today is another different kind and special kind of video that I've been trying to do for the longest, but of course, you know, my mom is here. My mom is here, just in case you couldn't hear me. So I had to do things a little bit different this time. So I'm gonna take you guys on the journey to get the last minute stuff. Right now I'm in my building entryway and I'm just going to pretty much take you with me for the last minute stuff to prepare for her birthday. So come along with me. My friends and family know by where I live. It's not a lot of stores, so we're gonna head on over to the little mini grocery store and pick up a few items for her. Guys, I am in the mini mart that I was telling you about. We are going to surprise her with a morning brunch while she's getting the rest of her surprises. And so I'm just coming to look for a few items. So we're looking at steaks right now, and I'll pick those and I'll try to do a little shopping haul when I get all the stuff. My hands are kind of full. I just left the liquor store. It was kind of like an in and out thing. We got her some stuff for her mimosas because she loves mimosas. So now we're headed to one more store and then I'll be back in the house. I'm not gonna decorate anything until she kind of goes to sleep, so I hope it's early. So I'll catch you back at the house. One thing I forgot to tell you guys was it is not easy surprising my mom for anything. So I had to do all this stuff last minute, including the video, and make sure that she got to New York She doesn't live out here. So I love you, Mom. I hope you like it. And Cheyenne and I worked really hard to get everything done for you with the little bit of time that we had. So happy birthday to my mother. Hey guys, again. So I'm in the store looking for a card for her. My mom loves when I write her nice little letters and stuff like that. So I always get a card and just write something that I feel like saying, obviously. So hopefully I can find a good one because they don't have many options here. Let's see. They do not have many options here. So wish me luck. Yep. Oh. Hey everyone, today is Monday, September 28th, and the last time you see me pick up my camera was September 24th. So as you can see, my mom had a pretty busy weekend and I was drained, so I did not pick up my camera. Anyways, I just want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more vlogs, let me know. If you want to see any kind of video, just let me know. And I will link down the mask that I was wearing because it's from Westside Chick, my sister's brand, for her merchandise. So if anybody was interested in that, shout outs to Emily B on the mask because I wanted that mask ever since she came out with it. And yeah, I just hope everybody has a great week and see you in the next video. You